Hi, welcome back. And today we're gonna restore an old CB transceiver. As you can see, it is quite old and it does have a microphone, but it's ugly and I don't even know if it works. So let's clean it up and find out. Okay, that's it. It looks a lot better. I'm even surprised because it almost looked like new. And the only thing I did is just a quick once over with this moisture cloths and using a brush without anything, just getting the dust out, and well, this is already a good start. Let's see if it powers up. Okay, power connected. Let's see. Yes, it does power up. We do not have sound, so I need to see if the speaker is connected or not. I did notice, but we will have to open it, is while cleaning that there was a little wire sticking out, so I will need to open it. You can see I wiped it with the cloths. This still needs to dry a bit. So let's open it. I'll come back. Okay, it's open. Well, the wire sticking out was the wire of the speaker, so that makes sense. I do see they made some modification because probably they didn't have the correct power plug, so they just connected it like that. Here are the speaker wires, so that is easy to fix. And the rest does not look that bad. I don't see that too much work was done, so that's a good thing. Oh yeah, it's still some dirt, but all in all it does look good. Oh, here they try to fix some tracks on the PCB board. Okay, well, let's see. Oh, and that's why you can also use the brush, huh? You can just clean the dust out. It's a nice tool for this. Okay, I will try to connect the speaker wire and come back. Okay, we're back. I just connected the wires again. I put some shrink wraps. The wires were a bit short, but I just fixed it by turning the speaker like 180 degrees, so it's closer to the connection, so that is fixed. We can hear a sound. It is not that loud. So we need to find out what it is. I connected it to the... Oh, cool. It's a 40 channel even. Okay, good. So let's put it to 22. And let's see if it transmits. And it does transmit. It's a little bit off, but not too much. It's 2 watts. Let's see if we can hear sound. Hello, hello, hello. No, it does not have an audio. Let's see if it receives. It does receive. Okay, let's see if it's emitter level microphone. Okay, it's not that sensitive. So first we need to change that, but frequency. No, okay, it's more or less center. Okay, well, let's see what we need to adjust to get the proper sound. Okay, that's cool. What we're gonna do first is put the transmitter in the right frequency, so we will turn the wheel here at the crystal, and meanwhile we need to look at the meter and we transmit to that. So this is spot on, we don't touch it, And the thing is, what I found out is this PA button, the PA or CB right here, they use it as a power switch. Look, if you push it, it goes back to very little. And here it is. Okay, just okay. Transmitting is okay. I need to see why the audio is not working, but it could be a wire of the microphone. Let's get the receiving right. Okay. Yeah, I don't have a schematic diagram, so I was just turning. And what I did is for the transmitter, I went down this tray. And I managed to get it until, well, we can see. Oh, the audio also works now. Now it's 4 watts. And to receive, you go down this path. And then you just do by hearing. So you hear the sound. I think I switch off my modulation right now. 1 minute. Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, for receiving you just go down this and you can just hear. Just to put it now. That's about it. One more signal. Yeah, this should be that. It's a little bit down. Yes. So, and now we have put it back together again, and here we are. An almost like new, nicely restored CB transceiver. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.